So last week I hosted my first ever Gardens by Monika plant swap, and I have to say it turned out pretty awesome. I mean, people came up and they were so excited, and I was so excited to meet everybody. What actually surprised me the most was that people actually started showing up 45 minutes early and started lining up outside the door. Close to about 45 minutes before the event even started. So of course I didn't want them outside in the sweltering heat, and I invited them in, and I had the opportunity to talk to a bunch of them, and everyone was so lovely. And they were all kind of ages, and they were all different backgrounds, and it was just really nice to get to know everyone. I gave everyone a free swag bag. The bag itself was a jute bag that was branded with my little tagline along with the name Gardens by Monika, and inside there I gave them a sampling of 3 of my favorite things, which I'm calling the GBM approved list. It was a mesh pot, it was a sample of leca balls for some of their houseplants, and it was a little sample of Biotone starter fertilizer from Espoma. And then we also had some things in there like coupons and gift cards from local garden centers and plant stores. And it was just a great time that was had by all. So I caught some footage and I wanted to share with you guys what the event looked like. All right, so let me know in the comments below if you guys have ever attended a plant swap and what your experience was, because I would always love to hear about it. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll see you in the garden.